Hey there, welcome to Ask AI Provision. Today we are discussing AI video content generation software. Let's discover how FlexClip could assist in saving the day. What is FlexClip? FlexClip is an AI-powered video maker that helps you create stunning videos in minutes. Whether you're a marketer, educator, or social media influencer, FlexClip has everything you need to bring your ideas to life. Why choose FlexClip? Ease of use. FlexClip is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need any prior video editing experience to get started. The intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate and create professional-looking videos. AI-powered features. FlexClip's AI tools are game changers. From text-to-video generators to AI script generators, these features make video creation a breeze. You can convert written text into engaging videos, generate scripts, and even create stunning images with the AI image generator. Collaborative workflow. FlexClip allows you to collaborate with team members in real time. This feature is perfect for businesses and marketers who need to produce high-quality videos quickly. How to use FlexClip's AI video maker. In step 1, let's begin by creating your video. First, you should sign up. Visit flexclip.com and register for a free account using your email. On the dashboard, choose your template. Select from a variety of templates or start from scratch. When creating engaging videos, divide your text script into smaller text prompts. Add them into the text box and then let FlexClip's AI generate your video. Also, consider using ChatGPT to help craft an engaging video script. This is why you need to customize your video. Add voiceovers using FlexClip's text-to-speech feature to incorporate voice narration in multiple languages. FlexClip enables video creation in hundreds of languages right here. Edit and enhance your videos with a variety of transitions to make seamless scene changes, effects to add visual interest, and subtitles to provide additional context or accessibility for viewers. You can export your video and easily share it across various social media platforms after you download it. It is recommended to aim for an approximate length of 8 minutes for your video. This duration is considered optimal for uploading videos to YouTube. Before creating your video, plan your content with in-depth information in a script and storyboard. This will help extend your video length. To visualize the flow of your video, it's essential to write a detailed script and create a storyboard. Divide your script into small, manageable blocks to ensure the content translates effectively from the text to the video. This will help maintain a clear and cohesive flow throughout the video production process. This will help you estimate the time needed for each segment. Step 3. Setting up your video. First, import your script-generated clips by uploading them to the FlexClip editor. Make sure they are organized and ready to be edited. Next, add your clips to the timeline by dragging and dropping them. Arrange them in the order you want them to appear in your final video. Trim clips. Use FlexClip's trim feature to adjust the length of each clip. Just click the thumbnail of the clip, then drag the border to adjust the length and choose the part you want to use. Add transitions and effects. To smooth out the flow between clips, add transitions. FlexClip offers a variety of transitions that can be applied easily. Also, use FlexClip's overlay collection to add creative elements like frames, stickers, icons, and more to enhance your video. Adjust video speed. Use FlexClip's speed adjustment feature to speed up or slow down parts of your video. This can help you fit your content into the desired time frame. Voiceovers and audio are crucial elements in creating engaging and professional videos. Add voiceovers using FlexClip's text-to-speech feature, which allows you to convert written text into natural-sounding speech effortlessly. This can help you narrate your video seamlessly and ensure it stays within the 8-minute mark, making your content concise and impactful. Add background music to enhance the mood and engagement of your video. Choose tracks that complement your message and keep your audience interested. Make sure the music is not too long and fits within your 8-minute timeline. Proper audio management can significantly elevate the quality of your video content. Preview and adjust. Preview your video regularly as you add clips, transitions, and effects. This will help you gauge the length and make necessary adjustments. If your video is too long, trim clips or remove unnecessary segments. If the content is too short, consider adding more material or extending some scenes. Tip: you can also incorporate your image logo to give your video a personalized touch. Export and review. Once you're satisfied with your video, export it. FlexClip allows you to export videos up to 1080 resolutions, which is suitable for most platforms. After exporting, review your video to ensure it is at least 8 minutes long and remains engaging throughout. Now, you will have a valuable asset for your business. Consistently using FlexClips in your business routine can help you reach your target audience with engaging videos. Now that you have your video, you are all set. For more helpful tips on FlexClip, I have included a link in the description below where they showcase more features of FlexClip. Before we sign off, let me help answer some FAQs. What is the AI text-to-video tool? The AI text-to-video tool is an innovative feature that converts your text prompts into stunning, high-quality videos. It's perfect for creating a variety of content, including promotional videos, explainer videos, and engaging social media content. Can I use FlexClip for free? Yes, FlexClip offers a free plan that allows you to explore its basic features and get started with video creation without any cost. However, for more advanced features, higher quality exports, and no watermarks, you might want to consider upgrading to one of the paid plans. These plans offer more flexibility and additional tools to enhance your video projects. Is FlexClip suitable for beginners? Absolutely. FlexClip is designed to be extremely user-friendly, with an intuitive interface that makes video editing accessible to everyone, making it perfect for beginners who are just starting out in video creation. The AI tools and a wide range of templates help you create professional-looking videos without any prior experience, ensuring that your projects look polished and impressive. FlexClip is your go-to AI video maker for creating engaging and professional videos. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned pro, FlexClip offers a user-friendly interface that simplifies the video creation process. With its ease of use, powerful AI features, and collaborative workflow, FlexClip makes video creation a breeze. The AI tools help you automate tedious tasks, allowing you to focus on creativity and storytelling. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or social media influencer, FlexClip has everything you need to elevate your video content. From customizable templates to advanced editing features, the platform caters to all your video needs. So what are you waiting for? Start creating stunning videos with FlexClip today. Unleash your creativity and watch your ideas come to life with just a few clicks. FlexClip is here to help you every step of the way. Everything you've seen in this video has been created with the power of AI, from the script to the visuals and beyond. While advanced AI tools have streamlined the entire process, making it easier than ever to deliver high-quality content, it's the human touch that brings these elements to life, ensuring the movements and flow are just right. If you're interested in the tools we've used, the links are provided down below for your convenience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tips for leveraging AI in your affiliate marketing journey.